What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and you know I care to bring you nothing but the very best, and I got another free one for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. And hopefully it is still free by the time this reaches you. All right, with that being said, let's check out this awesome watch face. Now, this is definitely going to be a weekend watch face geared toward fitness, and it's going to be a casual dress down wear also. Now, the name of the watch face is called BSW Sport Mode Animated. Now, if you look dead center, you can see the animation going on there. We're going to talk about that in a second because I think it looks super awesome. In the AOD mode, you're not going to have that animation. You are going to get a nice big bold digital time, and you're also going to get your info on your step status. Once the watch face is on, the digital time has a rugged look to it for the most part. Looks really nice. Now, the animation that's on the inside is so subtle. Trust me, people, this is not going to burn down your battery, not even if you got the Gear S3. Now, if you look at the top of the watch face, you can see a floating second hand that's going around that adds some character to the watch face. Also, you get information on miles walked or ran, and there's animation within that one as well. If you come all the way down, you're going to get your heart rate information, right? And you got some animation going on with that one too. So yes, fully geared towards steps, going to give you everything that you need to keep up with your step status. Now, if you look to the left, of course, you're going to get calories burned, and if you look to the right, of course, you're going to get your step information. So I thought this was definitely a good look for a casual watch face, especially for a weekend wear if you're going to be dressed down casual. Other than that, people, you got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. I thought the developer did an awesome job. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Is this one a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Hit the like button on the way out, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell because many of people have not been getting the notifications. And this way, you don't miss a video. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.